Have fun. Have a blast. This is crazy. This is nuts. Stop it. Cut it out. I did it very well. I aced it. Wait. Hold on. Believe me. Take my word for it. Yes, you can. Be my guest. Text me. Hit me up. She's a beginner. She's a rookie. Forget about it. Never mind. I like it. I dig it. Stay here. Stick around. Why? How come? I understand. I get it. Be careful. Watch out. Start again. Start over. Don't touch. Hands off. Look. Check it out. I'm sorry. My bad. Are you crazy? Are you nuts? I made a mistake. I screwed up. Let's finish. Let's wrap it up. That's so cool. That's sick. Yes. Yup. Don't say that. Bite your tongue. Can you repeat? Say it again. I'm really busy. I have a lot on my plate. Do you want to eat? Do you want to grab a bite? Poor quality. Crappy. Stop fighting. Break it up. That's really bad. That sucks. I'm late. I'm running behind. Good job. Couldn't. Not bad. Not too shabby. Thanks. Cheers. You have to decide. Make up your mind. That's a shame. Bummer. Stop talking. Sip it. Do it. Go for it. Move a bit. Scoot over. That's very nice. That's dope. She's so boring. She's so basic. I'm going to sleep. I'm off to bed. Bye. Toodles. Thank you for your support. Thanks for having my back. I'll keep quiet. I'll zip my lips. Let's leave. Let's hit the road. It's me, Anora. It's me, Mira. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Yes.